Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to create a column chart. So by end of this video you will be knowing the different methods to create a chart and how we are going to assign the actual versus target and what is the x-axis chart and y-axis chart. So these all we will be seeing in this video. Let's get into the video. So here I have a data set with the year and the sales, whatever is happened in that year. This is the data set I'm having. Just select the data set. Go to insert tab. Here we will be finding the chart types, different chart types. I'm selecting the insert column or a bar chart. So here we have a 2D chart and 3D charts also available. You can see the different chart types. So now this is one method of selection. You can select it from here, and the other method is just press Alt F1. This is the shortcut key. It will create the chart. So if you don't want in a same sheet, for a different sheet you can press only F11 so that it will create you into a different sheet. See, this is the chart, whatever we are looking the chart. So now I don't want this to be created in a different sheet. I'm looking in the same sheet. For that reason I'm pressing Alt F1. You can able to see there is a year and sales. So now here I want the year to be appeared instead of numbers. For that reason what I'm doing is I'm selecting, right click, select the data set. So here edit it, instead of number select the ranges year, whatever the data we have. Okay, and remove the year tick mark over here so that you can able to see the only year wise summary cell. So there is a backside grid lines is available. Now I want to remove this grid line. Just I'm picking on it, selecting and deleting it. Just I'm dragging it up for better view. So this is the title box. You can change your title according to your requirement. So this is left side text related information. Whatever the text we have, we can change the colors. So let's change the colors. It is filling color. Backside if you want to fill, you can fill it with the color. So text color, if you want to change, you can change the text color. So I want the summary of this year on top of it. So for that reason I can pick on this plus symbol, add the data labels over here. You can able to see the text got appeared on top of it. This is the one type, and the second type, just select it, right click on it. So here add data labels option you will find, just select on it. It will appear the data labels related to that. So this is the one simple 2D chart. Now I want to convert this 2D chart into 3D. Just select in, so here you are able to see the chart design, right? So from this you can select multiple options. So this is the chart designs, multiple designs you can select. So even you can add the summary in this way also. If you are using from a quick layout view, you can add it like this also. So this is all about how to create the 2D chart. Now what we will do is we'll assign the actual versus target numbers in the bar chart only. Here I have a product details, actual count, whatever they are sold in that specific period. So the target is this one. So now what we will do is we'll create a bar chart and we'll assign actual versus target. So go to insert tab and select the 2D column. So here you are able to see the chart got created. So now I'm deleting the grid lines for a better view. Here you are able to see what is actual and what is target. I'm picking over here and adding the numbers, what is the target and what is the actual. So this is one type of summary, and I'll be creating another one with the similar. So let's take for this copy. So here I'm changing the target for all products. The target is 500. Again, I'm selecting the data and going to insert tab. 2D column I am assigned. So I'm deleting the grid lines. Just select the target line, right click over here. So here you are able to see change series chart type. Pick on that. So now I want to assign it as a line. So for that I'm assigning as a line. So this is a different lines. Whatever the lines you want, you can assign it. So this is the line or the target, and the blue one is a data. In a column chart only, if I'm looking to assign that, then so now I'm changing in the column chart only. For that reason I'm selecting as a change series type. Here target I'm adding as, instead of cluster column, I'm changing into line. So this one I'm picking on. Just press OK, so that the target line was assigned for it. So now I don't want this much clumsy over here. I want to change it in the form of a 200, 400. So once you select this, I'm closing this format access and I'll showcase you again. So here I have picked on, it will route me to format access. So here we have a different options, which is fill color, transparency, arrow symbols, and all these things you can able to see. So I'm selecting only this options, access options. Here the major is 100, minor is 20. So I'm changing the major to 200. See how it got changed. Now the clumsiness got decreased. And again I'm adding a data labels over here also on right side. This I don't want this summary. For that reason I'm deleting, because already I'm having what is the highest value. This is the highest access and this is the actual number and this is the target number. Target number is, if you want to keep this one, you can keep it on right side data. So this is represents to a target line. So now I'm changing this data labels into a down. For that reason I'm selecting again. So it will open the format data labels option. Go to that. Here you have a numbers, right? You can change it in different category numbers, and format also you can change. In label option, here it is a label position is outside in. Now I'm bringing it to inside base. So it will come into a inside in. It will come on a top. Center, it will be on a center. So this is how to change the a text position. If you want any alignment changes, you can use this option also. So majorly we are going to use only the text type changes and the alignments. So here if you see, the chat is looking like in the form of a rectangle. For that, what I'm doing is I'm going to make it as a round corner, and component type line I'm changing into a different. So you can see the chat got changed into a some rectangle in corners to a smooth corner. So this is all about how to create the chat with the actual versus target. So we'll see another type, how to add a trend line for a different month's data. Here I have a product and their monthly sales. Now I want to add the trend line for this data. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert tab. So here you are able to see line option, right? Just pick on it. So the data range, so is the data where you want to select the data. So another way of opening this dialog box is just press Alt and SL. So same, create sparkline dialog box will open. This I'm picking the data range and selecting the data set. Post selecting, just enter it. Press OK. You can see the trend line, how it was changing. I'm copying the same to all the columns. So how the data is looking is you are able to see, right, the trend. So whether it is increasing or decreasing, you can view in the same sheet. So this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please do subscribe and click on a bell icon for more videos.